What is the greatest source of stress? For most everyone, it's our own thoughts. What? Yep. Our thoughts are the major source of stress. One of the major differences that distinguishes us from the rest of the animal kingdom is our ability to think. We can think about the past and the future. Sure, we experience challenges just like other animals. However, when faced with a challenge, they may respond to the event or stimulus by fighting, fleeing, or freezing. Then once the challenge or threat is over, they return to a state of homeostasis, balance. We, on the other hand, have the ability to think about past stresses or project about having future ones. This can be a problem because our body can't tell the difference between a real-time threat or stressor or one we are thinking about in the past or anticipating in the future. Our internal stress response is the same. We can also have negative thoughts about just about everything. Dwelling on negative events can increase levels of inflammation in the body. Researchers at Ohio University discovered that when study participants were asked to ruminate on a stressful incident, their levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of tissue inflammation, rose. And stress, no matter whether it is real or imagined, can influence our biology right down to the gene expression. When chronic, stress can be a source or contributor to disease or poor health. Too much stress interrupts every neural activity in our brain. It can come from intense concentration, worrying, or procrastination. In a survey of 3,458 American adults, conducted across all age groups and in all 50 states, 59% said the direction of the country caused them significant stress. That marks a relatively steep increase from the share of 63% who felt the same way last year. Numerous studies show that job stress is far and away the major source of stress for American adults, and it has escalated progressively over the past few decades. Chronic stress, stress that interferes with our ability to function normally over an extended period, is becoming a public health crisis. Most Americans are suffering from moderate to high stress, with 44% reporting that their stress levels have increased over the last 5 years, according to the American Psychological Association. Stress is toxic to body and brain, your health and well-being. 77% of people regularly experience physical symptoms caused by stress. Unmanaged stress will make you fat and kill you early. So what's a person to do? There has been a great deal of science regarding how we can counter stress and improve our health and lives. Neuroscience now recognizes how stress impacts our bodies, and it now validates ancient traditions and techniques. What neuroscience is revealing about yoga, meditation, and mindfulness is exciting. Yoga, meditation, and mindfulness improve your brain, mind, body, spirit connection and makes you stronger, healthier, more relaxed, and more capable of self-actualization. Any of these programs can be a benefit to combat stress. However, NeuroYoga integrates the latest neuroscience with very specific movements, breathwork, and techniques to quicken the process by using neuropatterning to aid with decreasing chronic pain, reducing stress, reducing anxiety or depression, lowering blood pressure, easing PTSD and trauma, and more. Everyone with or without prior experience can benefit from the innovative and highly experiential NeuroYoga.Zone offerings. Why not take charge of your stress, health, and well-being to reach your true potential? Visit the Workshops, Retreats, and Classes section of the NeuroYoga.Zone website.